Scandinavian Bob here, hi. I just want to make a really short video sharing something important about Nofap. You see, I get so many emails from guys asking for advice, asking how can I stop relapsing on Nofap. Now, because I want to give good advice and help them as much as I can, I always reply with a follow-up question where I ask, so what current strategies do you have for dealing with urges? And guess what? At least 90% of them reply with something like, oh, I do not really have any strategies. Well, there you go. That's the biggest reason for relapsing right there. You have to have a plan what to do when you are hit by cravings. Listen, for most people, resisting urges is a losing battle. And there's a reason for that. Listen to this, because this is something that is backed up by science. There is this psychological phenomenon called the ironic rebound effect. And it simply means that when you resist thoughts, emotions or cravings and try to push them away, they will return after a while. But not only that, they will return with more power than before. Yeah, that's the ironic rebound effect. And it is indeed the same with Nofap urges. Let's say you are sitting there at your computer after your workday. You are pretty tired and you are just aimlessly browsing, watching a few videos and surfing a bit on Facebook. And then you start to notice the craving voice somewhere in the back of your head. And so you push it away and you keep browsing. But it pops up again after a couple of minutes. And so you push it away again. And you just keep sitting there at your computer, aimlessly browsing. Well, guess what? This is a losing strategy. Sure, you may be able to stay strong a couple of days. But if you keep going this way, the relapse will inevitably come for you. 99% of guys who are doing this will keep relapsing again and again. You see, most of us do not have the power to bend the ironic rebound effect. You would have to be some kind of superhuman with mental strength above and beyond this world in order to be able to do that. This is why you have to have a strategy on exactly what to do when you notice urges. Now, there are hundreds of things you could try, and it's up to you to make a plan. But I recommend a combination of these two things. 1. Surfing the urges. 2. Get away from your computer or your phone and do something else in order to create a state change. If you are familiar with meditation, you know what surfing the urges mean. It means that you simply notice your cravings without judging them, without trying to push them away, and without letting you get dragged along by them. You simply surf on the cravings like a surfer surfs on a wave, following the movement of the water. Because remember, as the ironic rebound effect dictates, resisting them is a losing battle. Now, this alone will make you a better Nofapper, but I still recommend that you also get away from the computer and go do something completely different. For example, go take a 1-minute cold shower. Man, that will give you an instant state change. Or go do the Wim Hof breathing. Yeah, that one is easy to do and it will change your state. Whatever you do, the key is to have a plan and then stick to your plan, because just aimless browsing on the internet and without a strategy, you will fight a losing battle. Just trust me on that one. I can put a link to the Wim Hof breathing exercise under this video for you, and I really recommend it, as whatever is going through your mind, it will disappear whenever you do that breathing exercise. It's just that powerful. Alright, this is Scandinavian Bob signing out for today. Consider subscribing for more helpful videos. And as always, I wish you all the best in your journey to become the strongest version of yourself. And remember, as Winston Churchill used to say, if you're going through hell, keep going.